How to import your W-2 into H&R Block. Let's get started. Before starting, ensure you have employer's EIN, likewise access to your W-2 and H&R Block login credentials. Now, you can head over to the website of H&R Block, provide your credentials and log into your account. Start or resume your tax return. From the tax dashboard, click on Wages and Salary or similar section. Select Add or Edit W-2 to begin importing your form. When prompted, select the Import My W-2 option. Enter your employer's EIN into the provided field. If your employer participates in H&R Block's W-2 import program, the system will locate your W-2. If required, log into your employer's payroll system through the provided link. Grant permission for H&R Block to access your W-2 data electronically. H&R Block will import the W-2 directly into your return. Verify that all data from your W-2 is imported correctly. Wages and salaries, federal and state taxes withheld, employer details. Compare the imported information with your physical or electronic W-2 to ensure accuracy. If your employer does not support W-2 import, select the option to manually enter the information. Use your physical W-2 form to input the required fields accurately. After reviewing the W-2 information, save your progress. Proceed with completing the rest of your tax return. By following these steps, you can efficiently import your W-2 into H&R Block Online, saving time and ensuring accuracy in your tax filing process. If this guide helped you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.